Hello everyone, my name is Tim and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore, and I'm going to be going over and reviewing the USB drive voice recorder. Now if you guys find this video helpful, please leave a like and remember to subscribe for future tutorial and review videos. You guys can stay up to date on the latest spy news by following us on Twitter and Facebook. Now this is a USB flash drive. They are normally used to transfer files from one computer to another computer. However, this one is special and actually has a built-in secret microphone hidden within its body. Now this can be used to record conversations all while going completely undetected. This is an entry-level model that doesn't have the battery life or features of some of the more expensive units, but still promises a high record quality and ease of use. If you want to read more about it, this product, or purchase one, you can see it on our website by clicking on this link right here. So the packaging, as you can see here, is pretty straightforward. You've got the recorder itself and some instructions. Now, let's test this little guy out and see how it works. The following presentation is for demonstration purposes only and is not a recommendation or advice on how to use the product. SpyCentre is not responsible for any illegal or inappropriate usage of our products. SpyCentre encourages you to check your local, state, and country laws prior to usage. Okay, so I have the gray USB flash drive audio recorder here, and I'm going to show you guys around the device and then show you how to actually start a recording and then do a couple demos with the device itself. So it has the USB head built right in. That's how you charge the battery, as also pull off the files. To start a recording, it's actually really easy. If we flip it around here and you look really closely at this edge, you can see where it says off and on right there, and there's a switch. So all you have to do is flip that little switch from the off to the on position. You'll see a little light come on in the front right there. It's a red light right now. As soon as that light goes away, that triggered the recording. So it's flashing right now. As soon as it goes dark, just like that. So during the recording, there's not actually any lights that turn on. Okay. So now we've transitioned from our camera and mic setup here to a GoPro, and then all of the audio you're hearing right now is actually being done by the USB drive itself. So what we're going to do is going to go up to our stock room next and do our first test. Okay, so we're in our stock room ready for our first test. The test we're going to do right now is actually a tabletop test, where I put the gray USB audio recorder in my pocket and then talk to Kenny here. And keep in mind that all of the audio you're hearing right now is actually being recorded by this little device itself. Alright, let's go for it. How you doing, Kenny?
Doing great, how are you?
Good, thank you.
So this is a review for the gray USB. It works. Very easy to use. Recorded for many hours straight and captured everything. Easy to save the files to my laptop for long-term storage. I've gotten so much use out of this thing so far, I wish I would have had this item years ago. Wonderful product.
Wow, okay, let's go up to the storefront and do our next test. Okay, so we're on our storefront and ready for our next test. The first test we're going to do today is a pocket test. So I'm going to actually put the gray USB recorder in my pocket and then talk to Kenny. Now again, all of the audio you're hearing currently is actually being recorded by the audio recorder itself. How are you doing, Kenny?
Doing great, how are you?
Good, thank you.
So this is something we've been doing for years in our retail locations to demonstrate the audio quality of our recorders. This is done in a normal speaking volume.
Awesome. Okay, so for the next test, what we're going to do is a distance test to see how it performs at various distances. For that, I'm going to hand the gray USB audio recorder off to Kenny, but keep in mind, again, for the last time, all of the audio you're hearing right now is actually being recorded by the device itself. This is a test at 10 feet. This is a test at 20 feet. And finally, a test at 30 feet. When it's all said and done, this is a great recorder. It's easy to use, has a high record quality, and I love the design. Being a normal functioning USB thumb drive ensures that this unit will go unnoticed even under close scrutiny. As I mentioned at the beginning, this is an entry-level model, so if you like the design but would like features like voice activation, time and date stamping, and a longer battery life, I would recommend taking a look at one of the more advanced models that we offer. Now, we do monitor the comment section on all of our videos, so if you have a question about this or anything else, feel free to post it down below and we'll get back to you.